Hi guys, Farmer Amy here on the Urban Farmstead, and tonight I have a little mishap on the farmstead to share with you. So two things. First of all, you guys know how much I love perlite and how much I use it in the garden. Well, I went to the store tonight to get some more perlite, and that stuff is really powdery, very dusty, and it's like styrofoam almost. I mean, it just spreads like crazy. So two things I learned tonight. One, if you have a truck, always use the truck to pick it up in, not the SUV that you think you can pick it up in. And number two, always opt for the cargo liner in the SUV because let me show you what hi, I see I've got some watchers here, some viewers. This is what happened tonight. All of this ended up all over the back of my car. Yeah. But because of the beauty of the cargo liner, I was able to clean it up in just about 5 minutes with no vacuum required. So fun times. Like I said, pick it up in the truck if you've got a truck from now on. Lesson learned. Thanks for joining me tonight. Have a good evening. Bye.